trying to draw the little people that are cut out, and usually they're like round heads. They're very simple, right? Do they have necks or not? It kind of just goes off their body. It's like arms. And then they hold hands kind of like this, right? Like a little round. And then maybe we'll do some with dresses and some with pants. And then maybe like something like that. Is that cute? For pants. And then I'm going to have their heads be the same. And another arm here. So they'll share hands because that's how it would be on the little. And then we'll make a. How about we go like this? Now, this is not really, because it would really be the same shape, but what if we went like this? Something like that? Or is that good, or is that not good? Is that weird?
It's good because it's the way.
That's how it would be? Okay.
That's how you had it on the other paper.
So, you know another cheater pants way to do this that would totally work is to actually cut out people and then trace them.
We can do that. So we can trace.
I mean, in certain circumstances, not when we're learning how to draw letters, but.
I didn't even trace that. We proved this many times.
No.
Why is that?
Well, that's usually how the like when you cut them out of paper, you know how you like fold it and then you cut. I saw a girl with a tattoo. It went around like that. It was like a chain of people, but it was around her wrist. It's very cute. You gotta, in South Carolina, you have to be 18 to legally get one. Really? Well, he's 22 now. He got it when he was 18, but he wanted one when 22, not 42. Okay, so then let's see. We want to do like some little fun little puffs here. Maybe like that. No, this one's gonna have. Yeah, okay. We'll do a mohawk and then we'll do dreads. That is an awesome start, and I'll show you how to adjust it, but that is exactly how mine would look. Let's see.
Make sure you add some weave part. Add some weave part. Since y'all got weave in his area, yeah, not weave. Look out here. Next week he gonna cut his hair. He gonna come back. He got weave in his hair.
And then what should we do for her hair? A ponytail, like a high ponytail? Yeah. There. What do we think? Well, I've been doing it for 40 years, so like 3 times longer than you've been alive. So that makes me sound old. I'm gonna stop saying that. But basically, if you draw a line so that you draw all the heads the same, and the hands are all the same, and then just do, like basically the arms are all just rectangles, and then do triangles for the dress, and rectangles for the shirt and the pants. Okay? Do you want to take a picture of it? Yes.